Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the DC Comics superheroes collection. This time it's Black Adam from the Shazam universe of DC. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like Black Adam, if you like Shazam, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Oh yeah, I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have the magazine here. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, DC Comics Superheroes Collectible Figures, and as I said before guys, this is none other than Black Adam. You have a picture of the statue there. And one of the cool things about these figures is that they are hand painted. And we really liked the Shazam movie. It was kind of a surprise.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, I hope they're gonna do a second one.
Supposedly they will. I don't know now the times with the pandemics.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but I guess for now everything is canceled.
yeah, it's at least they suspended the movie series, sadly.
This character is kind of cool to play in Injustice.
Yeah.
He like there's lightning bolts, it's cool.
Yeah, he's very powerful.
Yeah. And then here it has the story, the classical stories of Black Adam, 52, which you said you didn't like.
Like many other times, they wanted like to redefine, to restart everything, and it was very mediocre.
It was one of those type of things.
Yeah, one of the many.
And then it continues. The Collectable stories. Cool Hawkman down there. It's one of your favorites.
Yeah, one of my favorite figures with Hauger in this collection.
Yeah, that's cool. With the wings, it's very impressive.
Yeah, we opened Hauger in previous videos, and so we will do also Hawkman.
Yeah, and then this card has the allies and enemies. And we also previously unboxed
Marksman
Hunter.
Yeah. And Shazam.
Yeah, and Shazam too. So I will have those in the playlist linked in the end cards at the end of this video. Then we have the back. And back to the front. And well guys, now it's time to unbox our brand new Black Adam figure. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so we have our new Black Adam figure out of the box, and here he is up close. You can see his boots there. I like his boots.
Yeah.
Just a little turn. It's a cool little figure. You guys tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. And well, I'm gonna put him down here. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I wanted to let you guys know that we're going to be continuing to put more videos, and to make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to leave a like down below if you like this cool Black Adam figure. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish video channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
A lot of cool stuff, guys.
Oh yeah. Well, hopefully we can spend the rest of this quarantine with you guys. And well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.